What's up, everybody? Happy Halloween. It is time for a fucking tradition. We're going to carve some pumpkins today. You like carving pumpkins, Chris?
I don't know if I've done it since I was like 1, but
we have that video we never released where I got super hammered and carved a pumpkin with Jeffrey's combat knife.
Probably still pumpkin seeds on our table downstairs.
Yeah, we tried to get them to come clean it up. Nobody would do it. Yeah. All right. Well, obviously we're not going to do this shit like normal. All right. But the first thing you want to do, go down to your pumpkin patch, also known as the wood pallet outside of Walmart. Pick out a pumpkin. This one looks good. This one, I made sure it had all its vitamins and shit. So then you want to go into your cabinet. You got to get out some various knives and spoons and shit so you can carve and hollow out. And then you're going to throw those fucks away because we're not doing that. We're doing this shit.
Round 1, fight!
Now that you got your pumpkin, you got one picked out, come out here and draw some stupid-ass generic face on it, all right? That's what we got right here. Look at that. You got a stupid face. We're going to carve it. Give me your eyeball. Oh, we have an eyeball.
Yeah.
Going back in. Eyeball number 2. Now the mouth is where it's going to get a little complicated. How you feeling over there?
Pumpkin-y.
More we can get into that mouth.
Is he gonna make it?
We're gonna try.
That doesn't look like a very good face.
I think he's beautiful. He's beautiful. Get in there and check him out. Look how good he is. Look at him. He's so he's beautiful.
He's happy to be alive.
So that's how you do that. That's how you carve a pumpkin. But
There's no other ways of doing that.
not if you want to do it properly. But I think we were all hoping for a little something else. We're hoping for something more gory. This guy, he had a bad time. we have another pumpkin. Let's go carve that pumpkin. Let's see if we can do a better job on that one.
Round 2, fight!
Look how happy he is. He's having such a peaceful day.
I know, he sure does. He sure does look like he's having a good time. But you know what? Don't tell him what's about to happen. He's great. Let's fix it.
He's okay, right?
Yeah, he's pretty good. Well, guys, I feel like we all learned a lot here today.
I know I did.
That's how you carve a pumpkin. One of those is a little bit more precision. This guy's not that. He is, oh boy.
Still smiling.
He sure is. You smell that?
Yeah, I sure
What
do.
that is? That smells like some grilled pumpkin. Anybody want some pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
All right. Well, happy Halloween, everybody. Hope you're having a good time. Stay safe. And just don't try this.
No.
Not even don't try this at home. Just don't. No. Peace.
Fatality.